This is additional expenses. The expenses that are not distributed in the resource cost calculations, like mission costs, tickets, and so on. I select the activity masonry. And from this detail window, add expenses. Now I add one expense as customs. This is a uniform over the activity, not end or start of the activity. These are what we suppose just as example. Budgeted cost is, for example, $200. This is for one truck. We can change the unit price. It is actual now, so I insert $200. Pay attention, price for each unit is 200. If I change budgeted unit into 2, the budgeted cost changes into 400. That's it. But pay attention in reporting and tracking. If we select total, not labor cost, these additional expenses are also included in total costs. But if we select labor, it dismisses these expenses costs.